Okay guys, today I'm going to give you my tip and trick for keeping plants alive that are in these little plastic containers. Okay, so one of the things I noticed is I would go to the big box stores and see these plants in these little plastic containers, and all the plants in the store look lush and beautiful. And I was noticing that if I didn't plant my plants right away, as soon as I got home, my plants would start to look a little just droggy and just kind of folded over and like they were about to die. So my tip and trick for today is, if you're like me and you check out the clearance section and you bring all those things home, but you plant so much that you just cannot possibly put everything away in one day and you kind of just let them sit, my tip and trick is make sure that you water these plants in these containers very well. And as you guys can see, these are still looking pretty good and green because I figured out what was going on. Now these little containers, these plants are not meant to stay in these for that long. They're going to start to get root bound, those type of things. But again, if you go ahead, if you do it fairly quickly, because like I said, I've had these in here for days, and sometimes I leave them in here for weeks. But if you water them and you saturate them, making sure that water does not just hit the top, it goes all the way through that container and it drips out on the end, you'll have a much better chance of these plants surviving in these containers until you can get them in the ground. So guys, that is my tip and my trick for today. See you next time.